It is October 3rd, and yesterday the Michigan Supreme Court, as we all know, issued a very big opinion on Governor Whitmer's use of the emergency orders. They found unanimously that her use of the 1976 Emergency Managers Act was used unconstitutionally, and they also found that her use of the 1945 Emergency Powers of the Governor Act was unconstitutional. In fact, they found the latter statute to be wholly unconstitutional as it is written. Now, what I want to talk about today is a recent statement that Governor Whitmer has put out saying that there is a 21-day window for these emergency orders to stay in place. This is preposterous. Please do not listen to that. I wouldn't take legal advice from somebody who just got an absolute shellacking in the Michigan Supreme Court. I mean, just think about this. Where would something that is unconstitutional have a window to continue to have the force of law? Let's just think about this rationally for a second. Now, say somebody's issued a citation for not following an order today, after the emergency orders have been found to be unconstitutional. Would somebody just pay that blindly? No. They would challenge that in court. And what's a judge going to do? The judge is going to immediately dismiss the charges that were issued in that citation because there's no legal basis for that citation to be in effect. And now it is up to Governor Whitmer to work with the legislature to put in smart and safe practices and let the people have some consent of the governed here. You know, I want to point out here, I'm not advocating for just going out and pretending like COVID-19 doesn't exist. Please don't do that. Still practice the social distancing. If you want to wear a mask, if you're older, if you have underlying conditions, please do so. And also keep in mind, if a private entity or an organization has certain policies in place, if you're gonna, be a patron of that place, you need to follow what their policies are. Otherwise, if they ask you to leave and you don't, you could get charged for trespassing. So in the decision that was released yesterday, Justice Markman had a really good line in there where he said, "Our decision leaves open many avenues for the governor and the legislature to work together to address this challenge, and we hope that this will take place." Well, from a legislative standpoint, I hope this takes place as well. I am more than willing and ready to have a discussion with what are some safe and effective policies that we can put in place to make sure that the people are both safe and that they have a say in how they're governed. This, of course, is how our republic was founded. So thank you and God bless.